Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna do kind of a back to basics video, but something that's so important and so essential, and I have a feeling maybe not all of you are doing it. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to clean your makeup brushes. I'm gonna show you two of the easiest ways to clean your makeup brushes and also give you a few tips and tricks. So one of the main questions I always get asked is how often should you clean your makeup brushes? I would probably say twice a month. So once every 2 weeks or at least once a month. You're gonna notice when your brushes need to be cleaned, when they start getting just full of product, that's when you wanna clean them because you don't wanna get breakouts and you don't wanna get any type of infection. So I would say at least try to clean them once a month. The first item you're gonna need is a simple dish soap. Any dish soap will do. If you don't have dish soap, another alternative is to use baby shampoo. Next item you're gonna need is just a little container to be able to clean your brushes in. Depending on how many brushes you have, you could use a big container or a small one. First thing you're gonna do is, whether you're using your dish soap or the baby shampoo, you're gonna pour out a fair amount into your container. If your brushes are extra dirty, you might wanna pour out a little bit more product. Fill your container with water, but you don't want to add too much water, and I'll tell you guys why in just a second. So the reason you don't want to fill your container with too much water is because you don't want the water to go past the ferrule of the brush. The ferrule is that part between the brush hairs and the brush handle, and it's what holds the whole brush together, and it's usually held together by glue. So make sure you keep the water low so it doesn't make the glue come apart and then the whole brush will come apart. Once your brushes are soaked, it is time to clean, and this is very easy. You're just gonna pull the brush out, and I like to just rub it back and forth on my hands. You're gonna see that the product just automatically comes off. So just keep going back and forth, working it in just to get all that product off. Next, you're gonna rinse your brushes out with just warm water, and just make sure you get all the soap out of the hairs of the brushes and get them super clean. Once all the soap is out, all you're gonna do is just squeeze out all the remaining little bit of water so there's barely any water left on the brush hairs. I like to shake out the brush really hard just to make sure I get all of that water out, so when I lay it flat to dry, it's gonna dry a lot faster. This step is very important, you guys. Once your brushes are clean, you want to lay them flat to dry at the edge of a counter, so then the hairs on the brush are not gonna get ruined, they're not gonna be flat, the shape isn't gonna get weird, it's just going to dry in the natural shape of the brush. If you have any brushes that are super extra stubborn to clean, just add a little bit more of the baby shampoo or the dish detergent in your hand and just really work it in. The reason that I like to use baby shampoo is because I find that it's super gentle on the hairs of the brush, and it just makes your brushes smell amazing. And then once everything is clean, lay all your brushes flat to dry. They're usually gonna take a few hours to dry, so make sure you have enough time before you need to use them. That is everything you need to know for how to clean your makeup brushes. You have no more excuses. Absolutely none. It's super easy and it literally takes no time at all, and you're gonna love using beautiful clean brushes. Trust me, it's gonna feel so nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave me a comment below. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Make sure to add me on Instagram if you haven't already at Eman. And if there are any other how-tos that you guys want to see, make sure you let me know. And I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.